Hi, I am Dayashankar Sharma and this is Great British Chef's signature series. In the old times, kings used to go for hunting and they take some spices along with them, they cook them. So this is very authentic recipe, but slowly it's getting lesser known. I started my career in India in 1988 and it's changed a lot. Now we have to change our cooking according to people's palate and according to people's need. It's constantly changing. Hi, I am Dayashankar Sharma and we are here at Heritage Dulwich. I'm going to cook venison Badal Jaam. I combined two recipes together here. One is aubergine, which is like Badal Jaam. That is most popular dish of Awadh region of Lucknow. Another combination I am doing is one dish which is most popular in Rajasthan, where I am from, Sula, Maska Sula. So I combined that two dishes together and doing here is very interesting recipe. We are going to marinate our venison. So this is our venison here. The marination is very simple, like the Maska Sula in Rajasthan, what they do, they are going for hunting. Same time they are keeping all these things like coarsely grounded in a small cloth and they put on that and salt and these things, little red chili powder, and they cook there on open fire. So same thing I am going to do here as well. We are going to roast these 6 ingredients, which is cumin seed is here, clove, black cardamom, whole coriander, Kashmiri chili whole, and cinnamon sticks. We are going to first roast them and then we are going to make powder. Roasting spices gives you original flavor of spices. When we are roasting them, then the flavors comes out. Most of Indian cooking, this is the method they are using to enhance the flavors. I have made a coarsely grounded powder here, which is all spices mixed with the oil. So I am adding this little bit here. Now we are going to add little bit of lemon juice here and mix that. So this is our venison is ready. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to cook it in clay oven. So I'm going to put this one in a skewer. Yeah, it can cook in oven as well, normal oven, 230 degrees for maximum 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to cook here in clay oven. Smoke rotates in clay oven. It gives the smoky flavor to the kebabs. And another thing, because the heat is rotating, so it's like wherever you put kebab in skewer, it cooks evenly everywhere. That is the best thing of tandoor. Now I am going to marinate this aubergine. So we cut aubergine in a lengthwise. These are our aubergines. Now we are going to marinate them. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on that, one side, then turn aside. Add little lemon juice in it. Now we will add some turmeric powder here. Rub it all. Chili powder and some oil. So here is our marinated aubergine. So what I have done with the aubergine is pan grill them. So we have got aubergine ready here. So we are going to do the presentation. Now we are going to put the tomato salsa. This is the authentic traditional recipe of Badal Jaam. Very popular there, but I think nowadays you can say this is the lost recipe of India. Now we have got cooked venison. Need to cut it like this and need to put it like this here. So this is another hung yogurt, chopped ginger, green chili and crushed black pepper. So this is I am going to put here on top of this. This is the heritage special recipe. I am having this as a starter and people loving it. This is my venison Badal Jaam.